Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study business in college. We will explore the comprehensive nature of a business degree, covering its core components and the invaluable skills you will acquire. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone considering this dynamic field. A typical program spans 4 years, offering a robust foundation for future career success. We will delve into specific disciplines and how to tailor your educational journey effectively. Core business disciplines form the backbone of your education. Accounting teaches financial record keeping and analysis, while finance explores investments and capital management. Marketing delves into understanding customer needs and promoting products effectively. Management focuses on leading teams and making strategic decisions. You will also study economics, understanding market forces and global trends, providing a well-rounded perspective on the business world. Beyond the core, specializations allow you to tailor your degree. You might focus on entrepreneurship, international business, or human resources. Electives offer flexibility to explore areas like business analytics or sustainable practices. Many students also pursue a minor in a related field, such as psychology or computer science, enhancing their skill set. This customization ensures your education aligns with your career aspirations, making your degree uniquely yours. A business degree opens doors to numerous career paths across various industries. Graduates often find roles in financial analysis, marketing management, or human resources. You will develop highly sought-after skills, including critical thinking, effective communication, and strategic problem-solving. Gaining practical experience through internships is incredibly valuable, often leading to full-time offers. Networking with professionals throughout your college journey also significantly boosts your career prospects after graduation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.